This is Balboa from the absolute beginning. This was day one.
Started just doing quicks on the spot.
We talked about taking it forward, backwards, left, right, and then a circle. It slows. We're holding 1, 3, 5,
7.
1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5.
And we did the same, we rotated forward, back, side, side.
Then we put them together. We went quick, quick, 3, 5, 7. 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 Now we're holding 3 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
1, 2,
3,
4, and
7.
1, 2,
3, 7. Being able to do that 6 directions on your own, we're going to do a partner. Put feet between feet. Boop. Hands nice and relaxed.
to not wanting to be close. I can resist and have this air between us.
Yeah. So we do our basic together. 1, 2, 3, 7, 3. And then all forward, all backward, all to the side, all to the side, rotate, rotate.
That's what we did.
Hi, my name is Nicholas.
Hi, my name is Aida. Later, bye!